Hello, good morning to you all. Today in this video, I'll show you how you can post full pictures on your Instagram. So I'll show you two examples. Okay, this is one and this is the another. See here, this is directly posted from my Instagram without using any third-party app, and yeah, this one is with the using the third party app. I'll show you both these two pictures how I did, so that if your requirement is this full picture, you can use only Instagram and do this. If your requirement is a picture like this, you can follow the second step. First step, you can just simply click on this plus symbol to post a picture, and you can just directly click on the picture you want, and you can use this. Okay, anything by directly only Instagram is giving full picture, and you can click on next, and you can click on next, and you can click on share as this. And how you want to have a white background and a full picture like this, you need to install an app called Squarefit. You can open your Play Store and you can search as Squarefit, and this is the icon. See here, this one, and you can click on install and click on open once it is installed. And here just you need to open any picture you want. Yeah, this is the home screen what you'll see, and this is the gallery option. You need to click on this, or else the pictures will be displayed here, and whichever the pic you want, you can select that. And see here, this is the image, and now you'll have different options at the bottom. First thing I want to show you is ratio. It is 1 is to 1. Actually, you can keep it as 4 is to 5, 9 is to 16, and 16 is to 9. And you can best use 9 is to 16 or 1 is to 1. So for in this tutorial, keep it is to 1 is to 1. And now coming to the background, you can click on white so that white gets filled here. Okay, if it is anything your required color, you can keep it as the background. You can keep it as white, but I already posted a picture on white, so what I'll do is I'll use different one and click on save. Once you click on save, it gets saved to your phone internal memory, and directly on the Instagram you can click on this plus symbol to post a photo. Here, this one, and this gets added here. See here, and you can click on next, and you can click on next, and you can just share it. Yeah, this is how simple you can post a full picture on Instagram. I hope you like this tutorial, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.